Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best building gel is probably one of the most versatile and essential products in any nail technician's toolkit, offering unparalleled strength, flexibility, and a flawless finish for extensions, overlays, and repairs. Whether you're aiming for a natural look or dramatic sculpted nails, the right building gel can make all the difference in achieving durable, beautiful results that clients will love, ensuring their manicures last longer and look impeccable from the first application to the last. Number 5. MODELONES Builder Nail Gel. Discover the ultimate solution for beautiful nails. This versatile gel is designed for both at-home DIY and professional salon use. Experience the power of 8 essential functions in one bottle. It's perfect for thickening, apex building, strengthening, and extensions. Achieve a flawless, natural look with our Cover Nude Builder. It provides a beautiful base for any nail enhancement. Get a professional finish with its easy-to-use bottle design. Achieve salon-quality results right from your home. This gel is designed to be cured quickly and efficiently under an LED lamp, ensuring a durable and long-lasting finish. Not only does it strengthen your natural nails, but it also allows for beautiful extensions. Enjoy stronger, longer nails with ease. What we like? This builder gel offers an all-in-one solution for your nail needs. Its nude shade provides a natural look and it's easy to apply directly from the bottle. If you're looking for a convenient, multifunctional product for a natural finish, this is a great choice. What people say. The gel is easy to apply and self-levels beautifully, creating a smooth surface. It provides excellent strength and durability, making it perfect for extensions and overlays. The gel has a good consistency, not too thick or too thin, which allows for precise application without running. Number 4. MODELONES Builder Nail Gel. Discover the ultimate solution for flawless nails with our 7-in-1 Clear Builder Gel. It's designed to strengthen, thicken, and extend your nails effortlessly. This versatile gel acts as a base coat, builder, and strengthens your natural nails. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. Its convenient bottle design makes application a breeze, perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals. Get ready for beautiful, durable nails. Our formula is designed to be cured under an LED lamp, ensuring a hard, glossy finish that lasts. Enjoy long-lasting wear and chip resistance. Use it to create stunning nail extensions or securely apply rhinestones for added sparkle. It's the perfect glue for all your nail art creations. Looking for a gift? This builder nail gel is a thoughtful present for anyone who loves doing their nails. Give the gift of beautiful, strong nails. What we like? This clear builder gel is incredibly versatile, acting as a base, strengthener, and extension gel. It's perfect for encapsulating rhinestones and creating intricate designs. If you love detailed nail art and want a crystal clear canvas, this product is ideal for you. What people say. The gel is self-leveling and easy to work with, making application smooth and efficient. It provides a strong and durable finish, perfect for extensions and overlays that need to last. The gel has a good consistency, not too thick or too thin, which allows for precise sculpting and control. Number 3. SAVILAND 100G Clear Builder Nail Gel. Discover the SAVILAND 100G Clear Builder Nail Gel, your solution for professional nail extensions. This large-capacity hard gel is perfect for creating strong, beautiful nails. With a generous 100G capacity, this clear hard gel provides ample product for multiple applications. Achieve flawless nail extensions with ease. This versatile builder kit is designed for nail extensions and strengthening. It helps create durable and natural-looking enhancements for your manicure. Unleash your creativity with this DIY nail art essential. It's the perfect tool for at-home manicures and professional-looking results. Elevate your nail game with this comprehensive builder gel kit. It's everything you need for a stunning and long-lasting manicure set. What we like? With a generous 100G capacity, this clear hard gel is designed for extensive use. It provides a strong, durable foundation for nail extensions and enhancements. If you're a salon professional or a serious DIYer who goes through a lot of product and needs robust strength, this large capacity option is perfect. What people say. The gel is self-leveling and provides a smooth finish. It has a good consistency, not too runny and not too thick. The gel is strong and durable, perfect for extensions. Number 2. MODELONES Builder Nail Gel Kit. Achieve salon-quality nails at home with this easy-to-use builder gel kit. Perfect for thickening, extensions, and securing gems. This clear builder gel provides a flawless, natural look. It's ideal for creating strong nail extensions and a beautiful apex. Build strong, resilient nails that last. This formula is designed for durability, ensuring your enhancements stay put. Use it for thickening natural nails, creating extensions, or as a powerful adhesive for nail tips and rhinestones. Get your perfect manicure faster. This gel cures quickly under a UV LED lamp, saving you time. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a salon professional, this kit offers professional results for everyone. What we like. This kit provides a clear builder gel along with a top coat, offering a complete solution for extensions and strengthening. It's designed for easy application, making it suitable for creating beautiful nail extensions and adding embellishments. If you're a beginner or someone who prefers an all-in-one package for salon-quality results at home, this kit is a fantastic option. What people say. The gel has a good consistency and is easy to work with, allowing for precise application. It provides a strong and durable overlay that lasts for weeks without chipping or lifting. The self-leveling properties make it smooth and even, creating a flawless finish. Number 1. SAVILAND Solid Builder Nail Gel. Discover the revolutionary Solid Builder Nail Gel from SAVILAND. This innovative product offers a unique, non-sticky formula for effortless application. Achieve stunning 3D nail art and extensions with ease. Its pliable texture is perfect for hand carving and creating intricate designs. Elevate your nail art by incorporating sequins or chrome powder. This gel provides a perfect base for all your creative DIY nail projects. Bring professional salon results to your fingertips. It's ideal for both home use and professional salon environments. Designed with beginners in mind, this gel is incredibly easy to work with. You'll achieve beautiful results without the frustration. Enjoy a generous 60g, 2.02 ounces, container, ensuring you have plenty of product for multiple applications and creative endeavors. What we like. This solid builder gel offers a unique, non-sticky texture that's incredibly easy to control and sculpt. It's perfect for 3D art and intricate designs, making it ideal for beginners. If you're new to nail sculpting or prefer a gel that doesn't move too much, this product will give you confidence and great results. What people say. This building gel is amazing. It self-levels beautifully and creates a perfect apex with minimal effort. The viscosity of this gel is just right, not too runny and not too thick, making it easy to control during application. I love how strong and durable the finished nails are after using this building gel. It doesn't chip or lift easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.